This video is sponsored by Youkey and their wireless 2K battery-powered security camera. So let's do an unboxing. I'll show you all the great features about this. So let's get into it. Here's a closer look at the box with the wireless security camera, battery-powered 2K plus resolution. It comes with magnetic mounting, local storage, and dual band Wi-Fi 6. It's the S320 model. You get instant notifications, you get live view playback, remote device control, and multi-user access. Neuromind for human and pet detection, sound and light alarms, and two-way talk. Comes with a sticker so people know that your house is being monitored by Youkey. You get a walkthrough guide. If you want to scan that QR code, it'll walk you through how to set this up. This will help you with mounting the camera. Here's all the mounting brackets and magnetic brackets, the screws that are going to be needed, USB-C charging cable, USB-C to USB. So you have everything that you're going to need to get this installed. Here's a closer look at the camera. You have to remove the film before installation. You get the Youkey branding on the side. On the back here, you have where you were gonna mount this up. You have this right here that protects everything, but it also, by removing it, allows you to charge the camera and also set it up with that reset setup button. And that's pretty much it. Your speaker on the bottom here to talk, and you also have your QR code to set this up. Ladies and gentlemen, get your drills ready so you can get to installation. Installation is very straightforward and easy. We used the magnetic mount for this, but even before that, once you get everything rocking and rolling and ready, you're gonna go through the app and add your camera in there. And this only takes a few minutes. It will get you added in there with your username and password. It will add the camera. You probably will have a firmware update. And then from there, you just place the camera on here. We use the magnetic mount. Otherwise, you can use the other type of mount that they included in the box so that you're ready to go. Another great selling point about this camera with the mount is that it's magnetic and you can literally place it anywhere and have a camera as long as you have a magnetic surface. All right, let's go through the app. And one thing I absolutely love about this system is that the app is like one of the most easy apps to use. So you can come up here, you can see any messages that you might have on your system. You're gonna go back, you can hit the plus sign to add a camera. Going back again, you have, this is exactly my camera right here, so I can just tap this and it instantly goes into my camera. This is literally one of the fastest things ever going into this camera. It's incredibly fast loading up the camera. It's really, really impressive. I'm gonna go back a step. You also have your events. So if you have multiple cameras, you can come out here and check any and all events that you may have on here. You just click into what you wanna see. I can see human body detection. I tap on this, it plays the clip instantly. It's really, really fast, all the stuff that it has on here. It's impressive. You can even zoom in if you want to see a better view of it. Also at the bottom, you can see you can download the clip, share the clip, play it back, or delete it. On the bottom of this page, you also have an ability to just tap this and it will take a screenshot or record, and it'll record instantly what it's looking at. You have an alarm you can press that'll make a noise and hopefully scare the people away, your events, and also your mode. So we'll go directly into the camera. You have this button right here, which allows you to turn the light on the camera so that it can see better, but I'm gonna turn it off because it's daylight. Tap on this and you have your detections. So this will detect humans and pets, and you can even turn on others as well if you want. You have your detection sensitivity. I have mine set to 5. Motion detection, you can turn it on and off. You have your detection zones. So if you want to set up zones for this to view, all you're going to do is hit the plus sign right here and then drag it to what you want it to actually capture. Maybe you only want it to capture this amount of stuff. After you're done, hit that checkbox. Otherwise, you can hit the trash can. So super simple to set up the detection zones. You have your video, and this is where you can have your watermark on your, if you're looking at your video, I have it set just to the time. You can also set your video quality. I have mine set to high, and high on video recording quality as well. You have your privacy zones. If you want to set up privacy zones so it doesn't capture certain things, you can do that. You have your night vision, which it has black and white night vision. It has color night vision, and you can just turn that stuff off automatically so that the spotlight and IR illuminator are always off, suitable for well-lit environments. Audio allows you to turn on and off the microphone and audio recordings. You also have your alarm volume and two-way audio volume, so you can talk and hear them and they can hear you as well on a good volume. Notifications, you can turn on alarm suppressions if you want. Generally, you can come in here, and when you're in here, this is where you can change your Wi-Fi network, turn on and off the indicator status lights, which I do like to turn that off. Frequency settings, if you live in EU, you might want 50 Hertz. And then otherwise you can come in here and look at your local storage, and they also have cloud storage you can sign up for, but it comes with free local storage. Also, if you want to share this with somebody else, you can share this device so that they can see it as well. And you can even restart or remove your device. You have battery management. You can come in here and check your battery life. Mine's at 97%, so you get really, really good battery life, but otherwise you can change the working mode on here. You have 3 different to choose from. You even have a customize as a 4th option. Next, let's check out some really great footage. It'll be daytime and nighttime. Let's get into it. So here we go with some audio quality. You can see and hear it, how it picks up conversations.
Hey, what are you doing? You need to step away from my camera.
So as you can see, the footage is really, really good. And I want to talk about why you should think about getting the Youkey 320 security camera. Well, it's wireless. There's no additional costs. It captures really great footage. The battery lasts months and months and months and months. The design and installation is chef's kiss, very nice and easy. When it's capturing footage, it has AI built into it for pet and human detection, and that's very important to have. And best of yet, it's free. The other 2 things that really, really impress me is how quick everything loads up, from the security footage when I want to look at it to the actual live camera. It's seriously, I think, the fastest I've ever had on any security system. And then also, it's just really simple and easy to use. So I have a link down below. You'll get a great deal on a great security camera. So check it out, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.